Flying birds. Flying birds are members of the class Aves that possess the ability to fly. They are characterized by several adaptations. That allow them to take to the skies. Some of these adaptations include feathers. Feathers are the most distinctive feature of birds and play a crucial role in their ability to fly. They provide lift and thrust. Enabling birds to stay aloft and maneuver through the air. Hollow bones. Birds have lightweight bones. Which are also hollow in some species, reducing their overall body weight and making it easier for them to fly. Powerful muscles. Birds have strong breast muscles. That are responsible for flapping their wings. These muscles are highly efficient and consume a lot of energy during flight. Efficient respiratory system. Birds have a highly efficient respiratory system. That allows them to extract more oxygen from the air compared to mammals. This enables them to maintain the high energy demands of flying. Birds with a well-developed keel have strong flight capabilities. Aerodynamic body shape. Birds have a streamlined body shape that reduces air resistance and helps them maintain stable flight. Wing shape. The shape and size of wings vary among different birds. Species and are adapted to their specific flying styles. For example, long, narrow wings are ideal for soaring. While short, rounded wings are suitable for quick maneuvering. Wing flapping. Birds flap their wings to generate lift and thrust. The pattern and speed of wing flapping vary depending on the type of flight required, such as gliding, hovering, or soaring. It's important to note that not all birds can fly. Some bird species, like penguins and ostriches, have lost the ability to fly. Due to their adaptation to other environments and survival strategies. Flightless birds often have different physical attributes. That are better suited to their terrestrial or aquatic lifestyles. Please subscribe our channel.